Today's viral AI ASMR bet videos on YouTube Shorts are going completely viral right now. When we look at the videos, they first appear to be high quality, but you can create these videos yourself with simple steps and completely with AI tools. The strategy is completely free and the video generation literally takes less than 3 minutes. Channels like SMR Dream SMR have already gained over 5,000 subscribers and generate millions of views with the exact same AI SMR videos. Or also this channel, Goody AI, 18,000 subscribers and 1.6 million views, 1.4 million views, and so on. These videos are going completely viral and I'm going to show you now how you can create such videos. First, go to ChatGPT. Now copy the first prompt from this Google Docs file. This prompt generates 10 exciting video ideas and materials for which we can create such cool AI ASMR videos. The results are great. Read through the results. Now copy the second prompt from the Google Docs file and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt generates, based on our generated video ideas, the matching image prompts that we will need shortly for creating the video. If you want all the prompts from this video, then subscribe to my free AI YouTube newsletter and I will send you the file with the prompts for free. The link to the newsletter is in the video description. Now go to Whisk. It's free. First select one of the image prompts from ChatGPT and paste it into Whisk. The portrait should have the format 9:16. Press Generate, wait a bit and select the image that looks the most realistic. This is very important because otherwise we cannot create good videos. Download the image. Now we will also create a video from the image. Now we go back to ChatGPT. Copy the third and final prompt from the file and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates with the prompt all the video prompts matching the image prompts we created earlier. Remember your number or topic from the prompt you chose first. In my case, that is number 2, the swirling galaxy bed. Copy the video prompt and now go to Grok AI. It is completely free. Sign up, it doesn't take long. Now we will animate the image. Upload the image we just created with Whisk and paste the matching video prompt from ChatGPT into the text field. The video should be 6 seconds long and have the format 9:16. Press Generate. Perfect, now we have created the first video. The video looks great. Now repeat the entire process with 2 other topics from the prompts we created. Copy the image prompt, create the image with Whisk, download it, copy the matching video prompt, create the video with Grok AI. That doesn't take long. Now download all the videos. Let's get to the final step. Open CapCut and import all the videos we created with Grok AI. Now drag all the videos onto the timeline one by one. Select the format 9:16, adjust the size if necessary so that no black border appears. Create a text field. Now copy the name of the bed from ChatGPT that matches the video into the text fields. Also change the border and the font so that the text is easier to read. Always drag the text to the end of the matching clip. It should look like this. Now add another text field at the beginning of the video and write which bed is the best to sleep in. Great, now our video is finished and is just as high quality as the example videos of the successful channels. Subscribe to my channel now for more exciting tutorials and videos about YouTube automation with AI. Like the video if you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe to my free newsletter to receive the free file with the prompts from this video. Link in the description. Now watch more cool videos and tutorials from me here. Click here on my next video. See you there.